Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Xenon Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our 2015 65 plate Audi A1. It's the 1.6 TDI S-Line Sportback. It's the facelift model, and as you can see there in the film, new style LED daytime running lights with the Xenon headlights. It's got the unmarked 17-inch alloys all the way round. It's in Mythos black metallic with the contrasting Floret silver roof and the pillars. It's also got a glass opening pan roof, which I'll show you in a moment. Looking inside the car, it's covered 8,000 miles. It's recently serviced by Audi and one private owner. Looking up at the roof, you can see it's in the opening position. This does slide back, as you can see, and it also tilts. Stands out well against the contrast there. This nice Mythos black metallic's the latest colour, and the car also has the rear parking sensors, which is part of the comfort pack, and the rear privacy glass. It's also got a few other nice extras which I'll run through shortly. There you can see the privacy glass, very nice contrast against the Floret silver, and we'll just pick up on the parking sensors. It's got the comfort pack, which is the parking sensors. It's got auto lights, it's got auto rain wiper sensors. It also benefits from electric folding wing mirrors. It's got the high beam assist for the headlight to automatically dim. This model's got DAB radio, Bluetooth music streaming. It's got the half leather, half cloth S-Line sport seats, and it does have the SD card slot and the AMI Audi music interface. They also come pre-wired for satellite navigation. There you can see the S-Line embossed half leather sport seats. It also has cruise control and climate control. We're just going to move down, just a quick glance at the near side front wheel. This is under manufacturer's warranty through till September of this year. And there we are at the front. You can see the new style facelift headlights. Thank you very much for watching.